Nangita mi sa orangutan. Nangita mi sa orangutan mga kaibigan. Grabe na ko adri murag lasang. Narakuan. Limita namin bird show.
Introducing our host for today, Mr. Sherwin. Alright, so hi everyone, hi guys. Good afternoon. Alright, so did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that the pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy because our flying feathered friends are going to show us an amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, important involvement. Flying feathered friends?
Ready!
Alright, so to start with, let me call on my partner here on stage, Mr. Ian, and to welcome our blue and gold ako name, Amigo. Hi, Amigo. So now, Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird and who loves to see his environment clean. So one of the birds, if you get the plastic cup, goes all the way, open the bean and jump inside, and for the second one, you pick up the Coca-Cola can all the way, open the bean and jump inside. Nice one, buddy. And for the last one, you pick up the Coca-Cola can all the way, open the bean and jump inside. Now see, if the bird can do, why can't we, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bins, because we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, well, I guess we need to together with this flying feathered friends has something to tell us. So what do you want to say to them, buddy? Alright, so welcome to the Blue Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle and Carl, and wait, there's more. Please come on, buddy. So we have a couple of things, blue and gold, because they carry hiding mask, carry powder puff, and of course our green name, Rico. Hi, buddies. So macaws are very adaptive birds to whatever environment they are in. It becomes quite normal for them. And if they were
Odi na si
surrounded with
Saba
many
ganiha.
people, they will accept many people. On their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables, and they also have a powerful beak that can crack a large shell nuts. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Alright? And stay with us, buddy? Well, I guess we're going back home to get their food. So a round of applause for flying macaws. And for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name, okay? Can you say Jumbo? So here's another great wing macaw, Jumbo. Somebody, I want you to wave at them. Wave at them, come on. Good bird, alright. One more. Wave at them. Okay. So macaws have a very long tail of feathers that can go up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 10
Yan,
feet.
magpakaon.
Now Chum is going
Suhol
to
ba,
show
suhol?
you. Okay, turn around, buddy. Good bird, alright. Last one. Alright. So we can see most of the colors outside their body and that color under its wing. Now Chum is going to show us beautiful wings. Can you say wings? Good bird, alright. One more, say wings. Okay. So macaws feet are zygomorph, meaning that you have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. And you also use their beak to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Ian has a ground nut. He will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's our reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. Come on, buddy.
Oh, basket.
So he carefully leaves on the plastic basket and gets his reward. So we are using our reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds. And as what I said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Wanna know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having the spelling test. So as you can see, we have here 5 animal features: the horse, camel, tiger, snake, and the zebra. And I want you to choose one animal
School.
feature. Okay, so what do you want to choose? Louder, please.
Bird school.
Again,
Tiger.
let's have tiger with Chris Jihan. Oh, Mr. Chris is preparing the Jumbo letters. Let's have the Jumbo interview together with Mr. Ian. Now, Mr. Ian, good afternoon, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Fine. So what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Plenty of seeds, fruits, and
Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Alright, Jumbo, are you ready? Alright, so just take a look at the picture carefully and write the style of the tiger. Alright, so first, we pick up the word.
Yung spelling.
Letter, buddy. So Jumbo, pick up the letter I.
There's a spelling tiger.
First letter. So we pick up the letter G. What's the next word, buddy? Next letter, come on. Alright, so we pick up the 30 and for the last letter. Come on. Good bird. So we pick up the letter R. So the tiger spelled C-I-G-E-R. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Alright, so I think it's too easy for Jumbo, right? So now let's have a mathematical test in addition form. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose the 2 numbers between 1 to 10. Okay, so this side, hand gesture, what do you want to choose? Alright, so let's have 8. How about this side? 8 and 7 with Mr. Chris. Okay, now Mr. Ian, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects?
English and math.
English and math. So where did Jumbo go to school?
University of
Here in the Philippines, right? Alright, are you ready, buddy? So 8 plus 7 is equal to. Let's see how good is that now. Good bird. So you pick up the number 1 and for the last number.
8 plus 7.
Come on. Alright, so you pick up the number 5. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 16. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Alright, so a round of applause for greenery of the name Jumbo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, I need 2 volunteers a kid and adult volunteers to help their our staff. So they will give you advice or instructions to what you do. Again, who wants to volunteer? A kid. So as you can see, Bunny is a very small bird, but he is a good leader and made a lot of friends at home. So after you finish his school, he will go back inside and call his friends. The Sun Juniors, also known as Sun Parkers in South America, and they have golden plumage from their head down to its underpart, and they also have green wings. Alright, thank you, Bunny. Thank you. Kuya, you can now take your seat. So, Mom, you're next. Are you ready, ma'am? Alright, again, just don't do an extra movement. Relax and don't touch our bird, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Sun Juniors Spanish friends. So, as you can see, our birds are really trying to use their wings to let our birds engage in their natural habitat to exercise their natural behavior. Same as the other birds, they love to varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay? Thank you, buddy. Thank you, ma'am. You can now take your seats. And dog. The Sun Juniors are one of those type of birds, meaning that they only have one partner for a lifetime. And if the partner dies, that's the time they'll choose or find another mating partner. So their lifespan in the wild they can live for 25 years, while in captivity they can reach up to 35 years.
Kaon siya.
Take your time.
Uy, doon lagi. Doon siya Rosa.
Alright, thank you. Thank you, sir. You can now take your seat. Say the side, ma'am. So once again, good afternoon, ma'am. How are you? How are you? Alright, so may I ask what's your name? Alright, so for now, my God, just put your money in your pocket for a while because we need to take care, okay? And can you please hold this thing with your two hands and face the crowd just like this. Alright? Are you ready, ma'am? Alright, so we have another bird species, a flying horse. Please come up, ladies. Alright, so here are black-cap lorries and rainbow lorries. So lorries are constantly active and noisy breeding in large group or even in the other company of parts or other hunting birds. So approximately 70% of their day spent feeding, and they will travel more than 48 kilometers a day to find their food. Take your time, ladies. So some of the lorries can feed on as many as 650 flowers a day, okay? But thank you. Can you please get back your money, ma'am? Namcat, show it to the crowd your money. Alright, so Namcat has 100 pesos. So all you have to do is just to fold your money into half 3 times on the same direction. Alright, so raise your right arm with your money just like this. Right arm. Right, so just don't do an extra movement, relax and don't touch our bird, okay? So we have another Sun Junior named Sunny. Please come up, Sunny. So Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild they love to pick up things to belt their necks. Now let's see what Sunny will do. Come on, buddy. So you fly to Mancat and get her 100 pesos. Bye, Mr. Ian. Bye, Sunny, and goodbye, 100 pesos. So Sunny will return back your money, just grab the money and not the bird, okay? Alright? Sunny, please come out. Can you please return back your money? Good bird. Give it back, say thank you and bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, thank you, Sunny. Thank you, Ma'am Cass. You can now take your seat. Thank you. Alright. So toucan is the largest of all toucan species. They have a black body and white mark on their nose that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. I'm Mr. Lord. Say hi to them. Alright. Alright, Mr. Lord, go to Mr. Lika. Okay. So their large bill looks heavy, but actually it is extremely light, because it is made up of protein and keratin just like our hair and nails. So now Mr. Egan has some fruits. He will toss it to Mr. Horn and let's see how good it is at catching. Come on, buddy. Good catch, Mr. Horn. Alright. So their large and colorful gill makes them one of the most popular birds around the world. Remember, buddy? Good catch. So toucans also love to do sunbathing in the wild or in the rainforest. Come on, go Mr. Egan. Come on, Mr. Horn. So toucans are also considered as one of the largest bird species because they can weigh up to 5 pounds and can grow up to 25 inches long. One more. Good bird. Wanna go home? Or you wanna stay with us? Wanna come, buddy? So toucans live in Mexico, Central America, northern part of South America, and the Caribbean. Alright, so a round of applause our most handsome Cebu toucan named Mr. Horn.
Thank you, Mr. Sherby. Hello, everyone. This is our yellow prawn and a sweet parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow prawn and a sweet parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. Mimic is one sound with one finger every day.
Can you say hi?
Hi. Hello, kuno. Hello
They
lagi.
make different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And they also mimic a telephone ringing. Diba di rooster?
Ano ko yung gusto ko?
How about cat?
Cut kuno cut. Oh,
How about your Lani telephone? Okay, how about Lisa?
And also, Rudy and Lani, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up.
Okay, let's do the warm. How about the first one? Again. Okay, for the second song with class first, we're celebrating their birthdays today already this month. Hi, happy birthday, Tess and Kimberly, because Tanya and Jordy will sing a happy birthday song. Please sing happy birthday.
happy birthday. Kanta happy birthday.
Okay, let's sing happy birthday. First, of course, we're making birthday, Lani and Jordy. And now we have Mr. Ryan to continue the show.
Very good.
Thank you, Ms. Jihan and Mr. James. And that's our mimicking birds, Lani and Judy. So you want more?
Yeah!
We'll give you more. And now from Brazil, let's fly to India because we have here the romantic couple, our Indian Yupi cow, Prince and Princess. Hey buddy, come here. Face the crowd.
Wala pa yung sa dulo.
Face the
Male or
Okay.
female?
So we will have the picture of this bird.
Wow.
The one with beautiful tail and called as peacock. And the one with the short tail is the female and called as peahen. And when they produce babies, it's called chicks.
Babae.
So their tail feather is also called as train. So it grows in 6 cents. And it feed off or fall off when they are no longer fertile. Buddy, please the crowd. Please the crowd, buddy. So in 1906, the peacock was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian tradition. Come on, buddy, with bird. So there are 4 types of peacocks: the blue, white, violet, and green peacock. And here in Cebu Safari, we have the Indian blue peacock and white peacock who are. So they are polygamous type of bird, meaning they can have multiple mating partners. So they open their tails to attract the female peacock and to intimidate their rivals or predators. Come on, buddy. Good bird.
Amazing.
So they shave their tail when they are courting a female. So for their diet, they love to eat variety of seeds and small insects. And for their lifespan, they live up to 10 to 25 years in the wild and 50 years in captivity. That's long, right? Face the crowd, buddy. Show them your beautiful tails. Good birds. And thank you, Miss Jean. So a round of applause for Indian blue peacock, prince, and princess. What's your tail, buddy? Go home. Bye-bye. So you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute and flock birds. Now it's time to meet some raptors. The birds of prey. The birds of prey are those birds who choose smaller. So Brahmanikites are formerly known as the red-doxy eagle in Australia, and here in the Philippines they are locally known as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. So they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Everyone sit down. So don't reach out our bird. So a round of applause for our white Brahmanicite named Glider. And now, so the lure will serve as the food of the prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is in catching his food. So ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Come on, Hunter, catch the lure. Attack the lure, Hunter. Hey, buddy. Alright. What a good catch, Hunter. So we have here Mr. Ayan. He has the real gold or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you can see, Mr. Ayan is wearing a thick log for the protection from the sharp and large talons of the bird. And Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN or International Union Conservation of Nature as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. So they have a wingspan about 105 to 125 centimeters. And just like for many guys, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. A round of applause for our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Okay, now let's talk about owls. So Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head and bulging eyes. And their eyes is very good in total darkness. So they can see 10 times better than the human eyes. And when they fly almost silently due to their special feather structures that reduces triple length. So just like the other birds of prey, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And here in the Philippines, they are commonly known as buffalo or drago. So hey buddy, do you want to go home? Go home, buddy. 1, 2, go home. 3, 5. So have a good night, buddy. And now from the medium-sized birds of prey, let's proceed to one of the largest birds of prey. And with that, I need your cooperation again to please sit down and no one will stand up. And don't try to reach out or bird for your own safety. Okay? So white-bellied sea eagle are also known as the king of the sea. So they have a white plumage from their head down to their underpart. Their back and wings are dark gray in color. So they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they will only have one partner for a lifetime. So a round of applause to our white-bellied eagle, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here the flying lorries all the way from Australia. So we have three types of lorries: the dusty lorries, traveling lorries, and the blue and red lorries. Our blue and Coca-Cola named time. And to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of love.
Wow! Oh my God.
Please.
Wow!
Prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. Together is Scarlet Ibis all the way from South America.
Hello.
And before we totally end our show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of our show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Ian, together with Marina, and the other bird trainer, Mr. Chris, Irvin, James, Runick, Miss Jihan, Rachel, and Becky. And of course, our husband up there, Mr. Wiki, and last but not the least, the man behind of this talented bird, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aiken, all the way from Singapore. And yours truly, my name is Ian.
And I'm Shervin. So thank you everyone and enjoy the rest of the walk. Thank you.
So everyone, if you want to have pictures with our birds here on stage, so we can have photo with them. You can form a line, and we have official photographer to assist you.
Picture naman, madala na rin